What's that? You shooting on the iPhone?
Yeah.
Is it a sick shot?
Like so wide. Yeah.
What? That's hectic. Damn.
We're gonna give this a dope edit.
Don't mind if I do. Hi.
I was just wondering what sort of lens is that?
What lens?
Yeah.
It's a 105mm. 105.
One over is really zooming.
Yeah, look. See that?
Oh, okay.
So it's for taking photos like this.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you like doing photography?
Yeah, I like photography, but first time I
Yeah,
saw
feel how heavy it is.
something- I don't know.
You want to feel it?
I don't know. It's
You
alright,
sure?
It's fine, it's
I
fine.
trust you.
No.
Are you sure?
please.
Okay. Alright. What about like up here? Oh yeah, we're gonna get a train. This is so sick. Whoop. Nice.
Hill, this over here.
Yeah.
Australian
Oh,
market.
that's so nice. Look at even just that up there.
We go in there, actually look at it like potentially good for a car shoot.
That's sick. Whoop.
No.
Look, this guy's just here. That's really cool. Oh, look at that glare on the bus. Bubble tea.
Right there.
Oh, we'll get bubble tea later.
Okay.
For now, we got to take some shots. I want to get someone like walking there. That's really cool. Like, see this composition here? Yeah, once again, today I'm just shooting on automatic ISO. So, and I've got my little gauge here set to minus just one little flick, just so that the images are going to be shot underexposed just slightly. This will have to do. Oh, there's a tram here. That's sick. Mike. Sick. Keep pretending to shoot. That's how we like it.
Hey mate.
What's going on, man? Hey, I'm Liam.
Yeah, how are you?
Nice to meet you, man.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Yeah, true.
Hi, bro. I'm Liam. What's your
Hey,
name?
mate.
Hey,
How
nice
are
to meet you, man.
Yeah,
Do you guys know each other?
No, not at
No.
all.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh.
Oh, two people.
What do you guys take photos of?
I took the,
really?
outside, like the.
Alright, look at that. Taxi. Nice.
It's got that colour, like that
Yeah.
off-white, yellow, creamy with the red.
So cool. Oh, there's a shot right in through there. Boop. Gonna cop that in, but you get the gist.
You smell that, bro? It smells amazing.
Yeah. I don't know what I like about this, but it's just like cool. Ready? Lift magic. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Woohoo! Let's go. What? Holy shit! Dude! Oh my god, we just found the best view of our city that we have never seen before. What the fuck?
I'm so keen to bring a car here.
Oh yes, Bussy. Oh, that's sick. Oh, I want to get this. I'm liking that little parking signal down there. I reckon if I change the point of focus to there. Chuck that like here.
This area is sick.
This is so cool. That guy sitting down there. Banger after banger. Look at that long shadow. That's so cool.
You're right.
Where?
Yeah.
One sec. Should be sick. I'm gonna chuck it all the way down to 1.4. One sec. If I can get someone to like walk past that, we'll say, oh yeah, we got someone walking, this is gonna be sick. Ready, 3, 2. Nice. That is a sick light flare. The thumbnail. If someone were to come out there in like 3, 2, 1, that would be the best, but alright, we got that shot, that was sick. Check it.
Yo, it's done.
Dude, the shot, everything about this lighting is just so nice. Look at that, look at the colours. Right, so we've got to check the thumbnail now. Oh bro, it's symmetrical.
You recording?
Yeah. Right. Even like through here. Watch out. Even like through. Yeah. I love this bus. I don't know why. It's a cool bus. Shady guy, shoot him. Shoot at everyone. Just shooting everything. I'm just still warming up. That's a cool. Oh, see that W? It's a cool shot. Wait for some people to get in it. Bus. Another bus. Right, let's keep going. We've only been shooting for like half an hour so far, so still just warming up, shooting whatever. I like that lighting on that thing. It looks sick. Cool. That's so fresh. I'm gonna chuck the aperture all the way down to 1.4. Oh. What?
Want a shot of you here?
Is it cool? Good shot.
Maybe move back a bit. Yeah, sick.
Boop. Yeah, let me see. Same thing, just ask. Dude, literally any photo with the 105mm just looks good.
Yeah.
Because it's just so sharp. Excuse me, man. Do you mind if I take a photo of your dog? Is that alright? Alright, I'm just going to stand back here because it's a very zoomed lens. Hey! Hey, doggy! I just love the public transport here in Australia. Like the way it looks, not necessarily the way it runs. Very delayed, but it's good to shoot, so that's all I care about.
This phone booth is like...
Phone box. Oh, my ISO is way too high. Whoops. I want to get like a detailed shot of the phone. I think that could be a cool photo. Yeah, it's alright. Whatever. I like that. It's no real subject, but it's just cool anyway. Traffic light. Whatever.
What we shoot through.
So. I love these power lines here, all the detail, even in those things. Boop. Look at those chains. Nice. That's just hectic. Focus on one of those things. Boop. That's so cool. That's a sick shot. What? Left. Is it?
That's pretty cool. It's the hood.
Really? Guarantee you in these videos everyone's going to be like, oh, stop taking photos of trams. Nah. Yeah, fuck me. I'm just going to guess with this film shot. Alright, ready? Boom. Nice. I want to get like a